collision, collision, collision.
collisions,
Noun. 1.
physics, and brief event in which two or more bodies come together.
2.
An accident resulting from violent impact of a moving object.
3.
A conflict of opposed ideas or attitudes or goals.
Listen and practice.
The play represents the collision of three generations. The play represents the collision of three generations. A collision of interests. A collision of interests. The collision of the particles resulted in an exchange of energy and a change of direction. The collision of the particles resulted in an exchange of energy and a change of direction.
Collision.